Today is Sunday, September 16th. The time is 12:53 p.m. This is Memman101. This is the 2011-2012 Panini Prime Hockey Break, break number 1. This break is sponsored by DCS Sports Cards, www.dcsportscards.com. Good luck, everybody. First card, Stars, serial number 227 out of 249. Carey Lightning. Coyotes, Prime Rookies, Autograph. Double jersey, double patch, David Runblad. And that's serial number 19 out of 25. Next for the Senators, quad jersey, Daniel Alfredson, Jason Spiza, serial number 215 out of 225. For the Flyers, Matt Reed, Sean Coutier, Ila Bergolov, serial number 11 out of 25, triple patch. Primetime rookie, New York Rangers, Carl Hagelin, jumbo jersey autograph, serial number 26 out of 50. Primetime rookie, Justin Falk, Hurricanes, jumbo jersey, serial number 76 out of 99. And the last card goes to the Kings, Anze Kopitar, serial number 22 out of 25. Thank you, everybody, for bidding. I will be posting another box of Prime Hockey later on this week. Currently listed for football and ending today, I have both 2012 Topps Inception and 2012 Topps Finest. Also listed for football box breaks, 2011 Panini Gold Standard, 2011 Panini Prime Signatures, and 2012 Panini Momentum. For basketball box breaks, I have 2011-12 Panini Limited, and for baseball box breaks, 2012 Topps Finest.